We're going to take a look at the planned appointments. Planned appointments allow the clinician to prescribe a specific appointment for the patient's next visit. There's 3 ways to add a planned appointment, and we're going to dive into that now. The first way to add a planned appointment is from the patient record. We go to Planned, Add Planned Appointment, we choose the appointment type, we choose which dentist it should be with, and we choose when we want it for, so either as soon as possible or after a certain amount of time. And we press Save. The second way to add a planned appointment is from the Charting tab. So we go to Charting, and we press this button with the diary in the bottom right. We choose the appointment type, so we're going to go filling 30, and we choose when we want it, so we'll say after 2 weeks, and hit Save. The third way to add the planned appointments is by going to the orthodontic assessment, and from the orthodontic assessment, and it can be anywhere within the assessment, we press the diary in the bottom right, we choose what the patient's coming in for, and we say we'll have it after 4 weeks, and hit Save. From the reception, when the patient arrives at reception, the receptionist can go to the record, and from this little icon with the question mark, it shows the patient has a planned appointment, and we can see them up here. We can double click on the exam. This will give us all the options for the next 3 months, so we're going to book the patient in on Wednesday the 20th. That'll show the whole time slot, and then we can just choose a time. It's going to fill in the appointment details for you, and we hit Save, and that's the appointment done. If the patient later cancels that appointment, so I'm right click, cancel, patient cancelled, and we can see here it's going to re-add the planned appointment. So I hit Save, and if we look up here, the exam is back in the patient's planned appointments for next time you want to book it. The other option for booking planned appointments is to drag and drop. So we drag the exam, and we can drop it in just after lunch, and hit Save. To get reporting on planned appointments, there's a couple of options. We can go to Reports, Appointments, Planned Appointments. This is going to show us all planned appointments due within a certain date range. The other way is through the wait list. So from the diary, we hit Wait Lists. We choose a specific wait list. So in this case, it's unassigned. And we can see in here, this is all the planned appointments that are due to be booked, and they're in order of how overdue they are. So we can see here, Troy Hicklin needs an appointment with the dentist. So if I press Find a Slot, and this is all the availability for that appointment, and double click, which will take me to the space in the diary, and now we can book Troy Hicklin in. Thanks for watching our video on planned appointments. If you want any more information on the waiting lists or any other features of Pearl, please check out our website.